Hello Instagrammers, I am Dr. Shivam Shah. I treat people of their orthopedic problem and help them live a pain-free life. Academically, I have equipped myself with an MBBS degree from MS University of Baroda with 8 gold medals and a Masters of Orthopedic degree from the same. I have specialized myself into joint replacement surgeries and arthroscopy surgery for sports persons. Further, I have trained myself into revision joint replacement surgeries from Germany and advanced arthroscopic surgeries from Austria. My further training involved knee and shoulder advanced surgeries from universities of Korea, Switzerland and Singapore. Currently, I am working as a consultant orthopedic, joint replacement and arthroscopy specialist at Sunshine Global Hospital of Vadodara and Baroda Hospital of Vadodara. Till now, I have performed more than 500 orthopedic surgeries at Sunshine Global Hospital. So, to get cure of your orthopedic problems and live a pain-free better life, subscribe to my channel and follow for further information.